Hi everybody, I'm Brad Pike, your mayor for the City of Eagle with this week's Mayor Minute. I'm coming to you live from Heritage Park where the gazebo is, and I wanted to give you a few updates and then we'll talk about what's going to happen next Tuesday night at our council meeting. First of all, the Recreation Department summer camps and classes registration is now open. Camps and classes will fill quickly, so we want you to visit our Parks, Pathways, and Recreation page on the city's website to get signed up. March 11th at 5:30 at our city council meeting, we've decided to put this topic for the renovation of Heritage Park on the agenda, mainly for the feedback and comments from you, the public. We really need to given to us, and a timing issue has come up, so I felt it is imperative that the council listen to what the public has to say about this, give you the opportunity to get an updated, refreshed feed on what exactly has been taking place. So look forward to seeing you on Tuesday at 5:30 on March 11th at the council meeting for that. And as always, be safe out there and have a great week. See you next time.